Well, I look to get my curls back.
Yeah?
I want to keep length.
You want to keep your length?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been natural for a
A while.
while?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. When's the last time you got a haircut?
2 years ago.
Okay. Do you have any inspiration pictures for what kind of cut you're
Well, I
looking
did,
for?
but like I want bangs.
Yeah.
Like
Pictures are good. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay, so you want to preserve as much length as possible. You want the bangs.
yeah.
So you haven't had a haircut in 2 years. Are
Right.
you are you okay with taking some off?
Not a lot, but shit.
Okay.
I'm
So
a,
you want me just to preserve as much length as I can and give you just really good shape.
yeah.
Okay. I think I got it. Do you have any other questions before we get started?
No.
No? Okay, perfect. So, questions we've got.
Yeah, I've always said I was gonna read the books, but
So you see the disconnect.
so Alex
Since we have before you guys come from my neck, I did not do this. She has gotten faux locks in the past and has gotten some breakage from that. And so we're just going to talk through what we can do to preserve her length, but also blend that. This hair missing here, right?
I don't know, just watch the movie.
How would you like me to blend that? Or do you want me to blend it?
Watch the next movie and my question would be answered.
Okay, so
We need to read the books because
we'd have to go shorter to do that. How does that sound?
yeah, okay, that's nice.
So my guide is gonna be here. So I would just follow that all the way
And that's
around.
also when they
You see my guides on the side?
the wizards from
Yeah.
other schools.
So like that.
Yeah.
And I can start layering within this section. But if I can't layer here, because if I keep layering,
To someone, but I was like,
it's gonna be even more.
so I'm
Yeah, you just said that.
So I want to start by
so I don't really know how to explain.
rounding this out and connecting it on the sides here, right? So where it's round, and then we can start from there. So I'll show you what that looks like,
Okay, so that's
if that's something you're comfortable with. Because if that looks like it's better, I can fluff you out, and then we can kind of see where we're at. But if I were to layer, I can't really layer in between here because there's not a lot that I'm working with. So I think that rounding the back of it will make it look more cohesive for now, so it can grow out. But yeah, I don't have much hair to layer right here. We're missing hair right here, so I can't layer there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.